Peridot is the birthstone for the month of August and a gemstone representing the 16th wedding anniversary. It was known to be dull by day, but glow like a coal at night. This glow let prospectors spot deposits in the dark and mark them for digging the next day. Peridot was thought to help dreams become a reality, and was often given as a symbol of fame, dignity, and protection. Peridot is one of the most important greenstones. It has a special oily yellowish-green color which does not resemble that of emerald. The most famous source of the stone is the island of Zeebrugge in the Red Sea, also known as the island of St. John, which is now under Egyptian control. In ancient times the stone was called the gemstone of the sun. It was brought to Europe by the Crusaders returning from their Holy Land adventures. It was mistakenly thought to be an emerald. Among the superstitions connected with the stone is that it has the power to contend with demons and banish them, as well as the power to diminish the thirst of those suffering serious illnesses. At present, there are other sources of peridots besides the island of St. John. The stones of the Birthstone Valley in the Mogot region of Myanmar Burma are large and clear or colorless, when compared to the peridots of Egypt. Other sources include Brazil, Arizona, Czechoslovakia, Norway, Hawaii, and Zaire. In all these locations, peridots suitable for cutting were found, but without doubt the best quality comes from the St. John Island. Recent additions to peridot sources of commercial or potentially commercial significance have been found in Ethiopia, Pakistan and Vietnam. The peridots of the island of St. John contain at times dark, brownish-yellow leaflets of biotite mica. In peridots from the Hawaiian Islands we may detect what looks like small air bubbles in the material. These are actually drops of glass having an oval or drop-like shape. In any case, there is no reason to confuse peridot with glass, as we can use the birefringence and the doubling of facets junctions to distinguish between them. For long period all synthelites were thought to be yellowish-brown peridots, since they had almost identical properties. In fact, synthelite has a different chemical makeup from peridot, but has similar properties of Ri and birefringence. Nevertheless, the main difference between the two is in the spectrum. In addition to the usual lines, with synthelite we see the line at 463 nm. It is sometimes very difficult to decide if a stone is peridot or synthelite, and only a chemical test will distinguish between them.